If you drive a Ford F-150 and that glorious check engine light has decided to ruin your afternoon, and the code scanner spits out P0401, you're not alone. This code is basically the truck telling you, hey, I'm not breathing right. Typical. When your F-150 throws a P0401, EGR Flow Insufficient, you get this sense of dread, mixed with a sprinkle of, how much is this going to cost me? The culprit is the exhaust gas recirculation system, the EGR for short. It sounds more complicated than it is. So why would your truck complain about EGR flow being insufficient? Well, the EGR is meant to recirculate a bit of exhaust back into the engine, cutting down on emissions and keeping temps low. But when it fails, it can feel like your truck is protesting climate change, one combover at a time. The reasons behind the P401 code are, annoyingly, pretty common. Carbon buildup in the EGR valve is at the top of the list. Sometimes it looks like a tiny volcanic eruption of soot and gunk inside there. Not pretty, and definitely not what Ford had in mind. I know everyone wants that quick fix moment. Reset the code and act like nothing's wrong. But if you ignore this, not only does your truck lose power, you might see fuel economy plummet by 10 to 15%, which always feels like an insult at the gas station. Here's what you actually need to do. First, locate the EGR valve, usually bolted somewhere on or near the engine intake. Sounds simple, but on these Fords, it's tucked away like it owes the engine money. YouTube and a flashlight are your best friends here. Disconnect the battery before you start yanking wires. Seriously, this can prevent a whole second set of headaches. Next, remove the EGR valve. Don't drop the bolts into the abyss of the engine bay unless you enjoy fishing with magnets for sport. Now check for carbon deposits. If you see thick black crud, congratulations, you found the problem. Clean the valve with a dedicated EGR cleaner, not brake cleaner unless you like melting plastic, and a brush. Patience is your only real asset here. Pro tip, don't forget the EGR passages in the intake. Even if the valve is spotless, those little tunnels clog up. A pipe cleaner and more EGR spray might be in your future. I once found enough gunk to sculpt a scale model Mount St. Helens. These things collect everything. If cleaning doesn't solve it, you may have a stuck EGR solenoid or a cracked vacuum hose. Vacuum leaks are basically automotive mosquitoes. Annoying, hard to spot, but capable of ruining your summer. Triple check all hose connections and look for tiny cracks. For the super diligent, check the DPFE sensor, which measures pressure changes in the EGR system. These sensors are notorious for giving up on life at around 100,000 miles. Swapping it out often solves the problem, and they're not too expensive. After reassembly, reconnect that battery and clear the trouble code with a scanner. If it comes back, you have permission to curse, but also time to revisit each step. Fixing this can save you hundreds at the shop and restore that sweet V8 smoothness you miss. A successfully fixed P0401 can mean 10% better fuel economy, smoother idling, and fewer impromptu engine light lectures. The pain point is real. Ignore it, and you're burning money. Do the work and your F-150 almost feels grateful. Almost.